Welcome to today's video reviewing can Agentforce assist in sales processes such as lead qualification? The answer to this question is yes, and it does so through a tool called Agentforce SDR. Now, Agentforce SDR is an autonomous agent that will be working 24/7 to help qualify or disqualify your leads. It helps with a lot of the monotonous sales processes to help free up the time of your sales reps to do what they do best and close the deals. Now, how can this Agentforce SDR do that? There are a couple of examples. It can send customized emails outreaching to these leads. It can follow up and answer specific questions from these leads using information from your company. Now, how does this help your sales reps? It can follow up with less qualified leads, making them more qualified. And when leads are interested, it can help book meetings, sending a link to your sales rep calendar to get a meeting for qualified leads, as well as leads that aren't qualified and would like to unsubscribe or remove themselves from mailing lists. It can do that as well. So it qualifies and disqualifies leads by outreaching to these customers. Now, that frees up the time for your sales reps. If you have questions on how to configure your own Agentforce SDR, I've included a link below where you can review how to set that up. Thanks for watching today's video, and if you have any questions, feel free to list them below.